In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a program as administrator on Windows 11. This is a simple process, but it's powerful, and it's important to know exactly what you're doing. Running a program as an administrator gives it elevated permissions, which can be necessary for installing software, changing system settings, or troubleshooting. Because those permissions can affect your whole system, only do this for programs you trust. First, click the Start button on your taskbar to open the Start menu. From here, find the program you want to run. You can scroll through your apps, browse the All Apps list, or start typing the program's name to locate it quickly. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right application, especially if multiple versions or similarly named tools are installed. When you see the one you want, don't open it yet. Next, right-click the program. On a mouse, that's a right click. On a touchpad, a two-finger click. And on a touch screen, press and hold for a second. This opens a context menu with additional options for the app. If the first menu looks compact, you may see an option to show more choices. Select that to expand the full menu if needed. Now, click Run as administrator. You'll recognize it by the small shield icon next to the label. This tells Windows you want to launch the app with elevated privileges. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure you're right-clicking the actual app entry and not a folder or a recently used file. When you do this, Windows may display a user account control prompt. This is a security feature that asks you to confirm the action. Read the prompt so you know which program is requesting elevation, then click Yes to allow it. If your screen dims briefly or the desktop fades, that's normal. It's part of the security check. If you're not comfortable with the request or the program name doesn't look right, click No and double-check the app before trying again. Once you confirm the program opens with administrator privileges, it might look the same as usual, but behind the scenes it now has the extra access it needs. Some apps even show the word administrator in the title bar to indicate they're elevated. From here, proceed with your task, and remember to close the program when you're done. That's all there is to it. Open Start and find your app, right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, approve the prompt, and you're in. Use this capability wisely and only with software you trust.